British accent. British. So, what do you like? British na yun. Would you like some cup of tea? I say it. Would you like some cup of tea? Or a coffee? Or a juice? So I'm going to have my Sante Barley juice. And if you know the barley, or if you're familiar with this one, so it's a type of organic supplement, and it is rich in vitamins. So lahat, vitamins, amino acids, minerals, enzymes. So I'm gonna put this in a glass of water. And I'm going to mix it using a plastic spoon. So it's very important that you have also your source of vitamins, supplements. Okay. Para healthy. So also, if you are going to plan for kanang lose weight, or isa pa, so it's effective si barley juice. And so aside sa organic siya, galing pa siya ng New Zealand, and malinis yung process. So lahat maganda. Primera klaseng supplement. Okay, so I'm gonna drink this one. So ang init pala. Walang electric fan. Okay, so that's it. So a glass of barley juice in a day or every day will make you healthy. That's all. And thank you. So I'm gonna make my coffee later. It's best taken pala 30 minutes before meals. So I'm going to take my meals after 30 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching. So guys, if you're looking for an organic supplement, so I recommend the barley juice. Maganda siya, as in super protected. If you are looking for a vitamins that will make you healthy 24 hours. 24 hours. Yun. So, ang tagal ko na pong gumagamit nito, almost 4 years. And since pandemic pa. And I guarantee, I'm sorry. Ano siya, effective. So, before, madali akong magkasakit. Like, ang bilis lagnatin. So, konting maulanan lang. Ganun. And then, when I tried this one, effective naman siya. Effective as in super effective. 99%. 100%. So, 100%. Effective siya. And, alam niyo ba na galing pa siya ng New Zealand and organic, organic yung barley. So, hindi siya dito produce sa Philippines. Okay, so, galing siya ng New Zealand. And then, ano pa ba yung mga best features? Basta, pwede mong i-try immediately. So, you can just chat me, send me a message. Okay? Have this one. Also guys, if you're planning to lose weight, so pwede din yung barley. And also, may naman tayo, may another product like na Fit and Trim. But for this one, I think mag-lose weight ka na din kasi parang kinokontrol niya yung food intake mo. So at the same time, hindi kayo magiging malnourished, yung magiging lack of nutrients na type of diet, because when you drink this one, nasa kanya na lahat eh. It's like you eat full meal. Okay, so nandoon na lahat. Kaya makukuha mo yung lahat ng nutrients, lahat ng vitamins, lahat ng minerals, and plus, may enzyme siya. So, makukuha mo yun just by taking 1 glass of barley juice. And also, by the way, bakit tayo nagkakasakit? So, it's because our body needs that supplement na nagkakasakit tayo kasi nga kulang yung nutrients na pumapasok or na tinitake natin. So, yung cells, so pumasok tayo dun sa cells, nagugutom siya, and at the same time, wala siyang food, wala siyang nutrients. So, magkakasakit tayo kasi once na nag-weekends or nanghina si cells, diba si cells, basta alam mo yun kung ano yung cell, the basic unit of life. So, lahat ng life may cells. Okay? So, ito, kumakain tayo kasi para lumakas, para magkaroon ng nutrients yung katawan natin. So, si barley, binibigyan niya lahat yun. So, imagine, in one day, nakatake ka ng 1 glass of barley juice. So, full pack ka na. Nandun na lahat yun. Diba? Kaya protected ka, plus lahat ng nutrients na need ng katawan natin. Makukuha mo in just 1 glass. Alright, so, that's it. Fancy. Okay, thank you for watching and grab your orders. Yes, if you are planning to buy this one. So, pwede lang din na mag-message. Okay, thank you. Okay, so one thing for the reason why we get sick, it's because also pag nanghihina tayo, so walang food or walang energy yung cells natin, and then so manghihina talaga siya, so meaning yung physical body din natin, so manghihina din siya, and kung lack of nutrition, lack of nutrients, so the more siya na mai-invade ng mga, for example, pathogens, the bacteria, the viruses. So, walang lalaban dun. So, meaning, if you are full of nutrients or kumain ka ng full meal, hindi naman. That's the time na malalabanan mo yung lahat ng invaders na possible mag-cause ng sickness or sakit sa ating katawan. So, if you incorporate in your diet with a glass of barley juice, it can help a lot by getting all the nutrients needed by our body. The vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and so proteins, lahat yun. And what else? May live enzymes na tumutulong para labanan yung mga like infection, yes. So, basta you search for live enzymes na present sa plants or sa food. Kung ano yung kung ano yung purpose, kung ano yung kahalagahan na ibibigay, or the essential or the primary roles of those live enzymes once na tinake natin naging part sa diet natin. Purpose, kung ano yung kahalagahan na ito. So, aside doon sa dapat kumain ka everyday, di ba yung sinasabi nila, you have to eat at least 3 times a day. Okay? 3 times a day na puno ng vitamins and minerals. But then, sometimes, especially if busy tayo araw-araw, maraming ginagawa. So, sometimes hindi tayo nakakain ng sakto. Minsan pa nga nakakalimutan. So, doon pumapasok yung role or importance ni body or taking of the proper nutrients or taking of the proper supplements in a day. Kasi, di ba, nutritious, ano yung nutritious na pagkain? Like vegetables, what else? The fruits. So, hindi naman tayo nakakain nun everyday. Kasi, parang ano, nauumay tayo, di ba? Yung kakain ka araw-araw ng mansanas, ng apple, kakain ka ng banana, di ba? So, hindi mo siya magagawa. Unlike kung before kumain ng meals, so tinake mo na yung barley, nakuha mo na lahat ng vitamins in a day. So, for example, during lunch, nag-overtime ka, hindi ka nakakain agad ng lunch. So, protected ka na kasi uminom ka ng barley before you take or before ka pa nag-umpisa ng work mo during that time. And what else? During breakfast, so 30 minutes, di ba? So, 30 minutes, sometimes, hindi mo pa nafe-feel yung gutom after na tinake mo yung barley. So, pwede ka pa gumawa ng kung ano-anong gawain dyan, mag-exercise, what else. So, yun. After 30 minutes pa, after 30 minutes, dun mo pa mafe-feel yung gutom. So, kakain ka na ng breakfast. But then, nauna na siya, nag-work na siya dun sa body natin kung ano yung halak na nutrients tinunan na ni barley. So, yun lamang. No. So, thank you for watching and stay healthy. That's all.